What is the sentiment from your end on this whole agenda on the privatization and national interest conversation about, KPC, getting new shareholders around it?
We are really excited about the government move.
Excellent.
It's a good move for Kenya because it's opening up investment and leaving government to handle the regulation and policy framework.
Yeah.
And deepening the financial markets.
Yeah.
It is a brilliant idea by His Excellency to consider listing the IPO.
Hi and welcome to the Trading Bell. We are at KPC. Now, KPC has been the topic, the subject, especially for investors, because we're looking forward to its listing. How's the journey like? So far, so good. By the way, when you look at Parliament, what is the appetite like, especially from investors? Is this the company to look out for? That's the conversation with the MD. Are they still profitable? So let's get straight to it.
Joe, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
It's good to have you here. And the last time I was here, we were trying to endear to the viewers about you, great numbers that you were doing. And now there's a whole talk around privatization and the likes, and the journey keeps going. But because this is now a topic of interest to so many people now that has been on the news, I'd like you to just, in a nutshell, tell people what Kenya Pipeline is all about and what they do, and then we can get started to the other conversation.
Very good. So Kenya Pipeline is a state enterprise.
Yeah.
100% owned by the National Treasury.
Yeah.
State corporation. We are 52 years of age.
52 now.
52.
Yeah.
And our core mandate is to transport, store, and handle petroleum products.
Yeah.
So basically, in a nutshell, our mandate is security of supply of petroleum products for Kenya and the region.
And the region.
We serve close to about 6 countries.
Wow.
The large East Africa.
Yeah. Excellent.
Yes.
Lovely. There you have it. So let's get a bit to a bit of your performance, especially on financial performance and growth outlook. So you have continued to post, great profits, strong profits, and pay substantial dividends to the government. And what are the key factors first that are driving this performance? Because people are interested to understand that about the company, the key performance, and where you see the next phase of growth coming from.
Good question. So it's true. We've had, a double-digit growth year on year for the last 5 years. If I just break it down in terms of profitability before tax, in the year, the financial year for government ends in June, starts in July.
Yeah.
The year 2021-2022 financial year, we did 6.1 billion Kenya shillings before tax.
Yeah.
The year that followed, we did 7.5.
7.5, yeah.
That is 2023-2024 financial year.
Yeah.
The 2023-2024, we did 10.1 billion shillings. And last year, which is 2024-2025, ending June this year, we've unaudited. The auditors are now looking at the books, but the numbers are at 16 billion shillings.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'll say it's been a transformational growth.
Yeah.
In terms of consistently delivering great performance.
Okay.
Where have the numbers come from? To answer your question. So number one, we've been very, very aggressive in terms of getting our market.
Yeah.
Especially the region.
Yeah.
The region today for us is giving us close to about 52% of our mix in terms of volume. We are serving Uganda today close to about 99% of that market.
Wow.
Before it was about 80%. We are serving South Sudan about 70%, the Eastern DRC about 75%. So I'll say the big key driver is the top line.
Okay. Driven
by the export market. We've also been very, very aggressive in terms of cost optimization.
Yeah.
And we've been very ruthless in managing our costs. We've also seen a decline in terms of the cost revenue ratio.
Yeah.
And that has contributed greatly to our performance. So I'll say pushing the top line,
Yeah.
as well as ensuring that the costs
Yeah.
are not growing ahead of the revenue. And that has given us a good delivery in terms of profitability.
Okay.
And looking into the future, we are in the next 5 to 10 years, we are not only going to be a pipeline business who we are today, but we are looking to be a diversified business.
Okay.
We are growing our portfolio in terms of the diversification along our pipeline network.
Yeah.
We have the fiber optic,
The fiber optic.
yes,
Okay.
which we've laid across the 1,342 kilometers of pipeline. And we do make revenue from it.
Okay.
But today, it's what we call a dark fiber. We have a contractor on site who is going to help us lit the fiber.
Okay.
Meaning we should be able to commercialize and make more revenue.
Yeah.
So in the next 5 to 10 years, we are looking at the FOC, the fiber optic business, will contribute close to about 20%
Yeah.
of our revenue. Today it's doing less than 1%.
Okay.
So we are looking at it growing from 1 to close about 20%.
Okay.
We are also looking at expansion in terms of infrastructure, looking at how do we get the line from Eldoret all the way to Uganda.
Yeah.
That's the pipeline. And later on into Kigali.
Yeah.
From what the analysts are giving and what we've seen is, even from the upper countries,
Yeah.
the World Bank analysis is showing that the fossil, the fuel, will continue being there
Yeah.
for the next 50 or so years.
Oh, we're not gonna do away
Especially in
with this.
Africa.
Yeah.
It will continue to grow.
Yeah.
So then the growth will also come from the business we are in terms of the pipeline.
You're right.
So we are estimating in the next 10 years, from the analysis we've done with my team, is the throughput, which is the volume we push through the pipeline,
Yeah.
is going to continue to grow up to 50% of what we are doing today.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Okay.
in the larger East Africa.
Yeah.
And lastly, we are looking to optimize.
Yeah.
As you're aware, we have the Kenya Petroleum Refineries, which is a subsidiary now of Kenya Pipeline.
Yeah.
We're in the process of consolidating, rather dissolving Kenya Petroleum Refineries, and have one company called Kenya Pipeline.
You're right.
And it's sitting on 377 acres of land,
Oh.
front facing Mombasa. And the big one there will be the trading hub.
Yeah.
And we've had some initial inquiries.
Okay.
The trading hub will enable us to do what we call the backloading, to be able even to serve a bigger number of countries.
Yeah.
Today I talk about 6. We are looking to increase that number to about 10, 12
Okay.
in the coming
region.
years.
Okay.
So there is huge potential for growth
Absolutely.
in the coming years.
And a great context.
And exciting.
Definitely. Yes, and very exciting as well.
Yeah.
One of the key things that people would ask, looking at all that footprint, and I love the fact that you've painted the color, that listen, 40, 50 years, we're still going to be using these infrastructures. There's a conversation on competition. I mean, your neighbors are not sleeping, and there has been conversation about, pipelines coming up, getting ready, almost there. Are you afraid of that?
Not really. I'll say Mombasa, as it were today, is a gateway for East Africa.
It is still.
Transporting product using the pipeline,
Yeah.
even today, continues, apart from being safe and environmental friendly,
Yeah.
but also the cost-effective methods of transportation. So we are looking at, from a distance perspective,
Yeah.
if you look at a country like Kigali today, it's much shorter to use Mombasa, Kampala, Kigali route
Yeah.
compared to Tanga.
Yeah, you're right.
So the big one for us is how do we continue ensuring that
Yeah.
customer excellence or the customers
Yeah.
come first.
Okay.
And the customers in this sense would be Uganda as a country and the customers in Uganda,
Yeah.
Rwanda, South Sudan,
Yeah.
DRC,
Okay.
and the large East Africa.
Yeah.
So we have to be vehicle ready to still maintain our corridor. We call it the northern corridor.
Yeah.
Mombasa all the way to the borders,
Okay.
using this corridor as the preferred route of transportation.
You're right. You're right. And by the way, last week we were in Mombasa with Captain William Ruto.
Awesome.
And he said you're good friends. You talk a lot.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a good friend of mine. And then we work together. I mean,
Oh, okay.
KPA.
Yeah.
Remember, they have a state-of-the-art facility
Yeah.
called the Kipefu Oil Storage Terminal 2. All the ships
Yeah.
dock there. They get a fee called wharfage. That's what they charge.
Yeah.
So we have what I call a mutual symbiotic relationship with KPA.
Yeah.
Because we can't exist without them. We use their jet
Yeah.
for our operations.
Yeah.
So we have an SLA with them.
All right. All right. Okay. Lovely. It's great to see how mutual the conversations go
Relationship.
there. Let's move on to a little bit on the conversation on ESG, sustainability transitions and all that. And I'm sure you have heard of this. The global north seems to be having their own issues on this. I think it's a political thing on their end, but the global south seems to be very focused as well on ensuring that we achieve this. It doesn't mean it's all lost. It's not everybody, even though the global north that is against it, but there's still forces here and there. But you're not left behind as well, because one of the key things is companies like you get looked at a lot. So I wanted to ask you, ESG sustainability, these particular things, how are you as KPC embedding our ESG principles into operations, particularly around clean energy, environmental protection, and community development?
Good. So first and foremost,
Yeah,
let's break down the ESG.
you're right.
And as a pipeline company, you don't see our pipes.
Interesting. I wanted to ask these 3,000. Is it 3,000? Where are
They're
they?
actually buried.
They're buried.
And the other day we did the math. From Mombasa all the way to Kisumu,
Yeah.
going through Nairobi, Nakuru, Eldoret, the 1,342 kilometers.
Yeah.
It's equivalent to over 30,000 trucks off the road.
Whoa.
Yeah, in actual fact, it's like 33,000 per month.
That's a lot.
If you compute in terms of you are taking the trucks off the road. If you compute on a daily basis,
The emissions.
yeah,
Yeah.
it basically means every 2 minutes on Mombasa Road,
Yeah.
you'll be seeing a tanker. You can imagine the chaos it will have on the road.
Absolutely.
So I think
And even the danger that could come
even
with
the
it.
danger in terms of safety, and more importantly, the emissions
You're right.
into the environment. So that's the number one priority in terms of being a pipeline company.
Yeah.
We are already in that ESG space.
Yeah.
More specifically now to cleaner sources. The light you see in this building is actually solar.
Yeah.
So we've tried to solarize
Yeah.
our operations, and we've started with the head office. And we've just finished a project with a consultant to see the viability of solarizing
Yeah.
some of our pump stations.
Yeah.
And shortly we'll be going to our board to present the proposal
Yeah.
where that should be able to see us in the next couple of years
You're right.
transition into solar.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
number two. Number
Yes.
three, we have partnered with Kenya Forest Service. And in a number of areas, but I'll just mention one for the interest of time. This is in Jomvu Creek
Yeah.
in Mombasa,
Okay.
where we are planting the mangrove
Yeah.
trees. And the mangrove here is because of, we did a study
Yeah.
and we realized that the survival rate of mangrove is at 98%.
Yeah.
Today we've planted close to 800,000 mangroves.
Yeah.
And that's environmental, in line with the government ambition of 15 billion trees. One of the benefits of mangrove, that community
Yeah.
of Jangamu, Jomvu Creek, are now having what you call gainful employment, because most of them are working in the mangrove forestation.
You're right.
The community they are doing, in terms of livelihood, they're actually doing the beekeeping.
Oh,
So it's a source of livelihood for them
already because of the mangrove.
because of the mangrove.
Yeah.
The beekeeping is then giving them some additional revenue and or income. And that community now, when we were there about 6 months ago,
Yeah.
they share the stories of how their kids, their children are going to school because they can afford. And you can even see the structures now. They are able to build
Yeah.
decent houses.
Yeah.
for their families. So in a big way, the ESG on the cleaner side, especially on the tree planting, the mangrove, we've actually seen the ecosystem. Apart from the trees, all the way to community. Social impact is huge.
Okay.
And lastly, on the education, we support students across Kenya, 47 counties, who are enabled differently. A boy and a girl to go through secondary school. We call it Inuka program. And to date, we've supported 745 students. And we are supporting them 100% of their school fees and their needs. Sometimes early this year in April, we had the Minister of Education who came to launch for us what we now call Inuka Plus. So we are supporting 25 students from that group to go through the tertiary, which is, the TFET as well as the university. And we're very, very impressed to see a few of them actually doing excellent courses like medicine. These are kids, or these are students who are physically challenged, and they're able to get A's because of the support of Kenya Pipeline Company.
You're right.
So that is a space also we are helping from an ESG
perspective,
diversity standpoint.
Yes. Lovely. And I think I like the context so far. Looking back at what you had promised me, is it 2 years ago? Progress is really there. As we come to a close, Joe, one of the key things definitely that is on the headlines and on the mouths of people is about what we've been seeing. It's been in Parliament, debated, all that, and we've seen some progress. And I know it could be still too early to celebrate so many things, but I would just like to ask you, because you're definitely not blind to the fact that this is happening. What is your statement, or what is a sentiment from your end on this whole agenda on the privatization and national interest conversation about, KPC, getting new shareholders around it?
I would say as a company, we are really excited about the government move.
Excellent.
It's a good move for Kenya because it's opening up investment and leaving government to handle the regulation and policy framework. And deepening the financial markets. It is a brilliant idea by His Excellency to consider listing the IPO, and more importantly, allowing Kenyans. This is a great opportunity for Kenyans to own one of their most profitable companies.
Absolutely.
And for employees to have a stake in the company. We are really pushing hard on it. And we've been given the green light.
Excellent.
That the employees will get an opportunity to actually own. When they are pumping that product, they know it's their company.
This is my money.
So I'd say it's great. We are in full support of it. And we're really looking forward to the processes.
How far do you see the process being at so far?
The commission, as you are aware, advertised for a TA, which is the transaction advisor. That process is ongoing. And we are looking at this process coming to fruition or completion by March 26.
All right.
So it's in the next, we'll say 6 months.
Yes.
We should be done with it.
I can't wait to see you ringing
and
the
I'm
bell.
sure you'll be among the few Kenyans. Or the many Kenyans who are actually saving to buy shares.
I'm ready.
It will be a good buy, I can assure you.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Excellent.
And I can tell you there's excitement as well, and we're looking forward to it.
Excellent.
And thank you for steering the company in profitability.
Absolutely.
I have to end by asking you about your future vision, legacy that you would like to see from just either the global perspective or the local perspective or even the regional. What are you seeing in the offing? Next time I'm here, 5 years, what should we see?
I think next time you are here will be a private company. And therefore, the shareholders will have changed. And basically, it's a whole paradigm shift.
You're right.
From governance, from the speed of government and the speed of private sector. So we look forward to the change and to embrace it. Absolutely. So the exciting times ahead.
Excellent. Joe, it's always a pleasure.
Absolutely.
I have said again, and I'll repeat it again. I can't wait for you on the floor, ringing that bell at the exchange, right?
We'll come. We'll be there.
We'll be there.
Thank you so much.
There you go.
Looking forward.
There you have it. That is Joe Sang, the MD, Kenya Pipeline Company. And they are very optimistic about keeping themselves as the regional leaders. Not only that, ensuring that there is profitability on the go. And so far, the track has been proven, as you can look at it, and even as well taking care of matters environment and the ecosystem around it. We really appreciate such an entity of the government that is making profit, and we can't wait as well to see it ringing the bell and you owning some shares. Thank you so much for your time. I'll leave you now with the markets.